In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Clipboard on Android. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android 16 makes accessing your clipboard easier with very easy methods for your full history and also the visual overlay for your most recent copy as well. So most Android and Samsung phones now use the Gboard, which is the Google keyboard, as your default keyboard whenever you get your phone. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to go over to the Notes application right now. We'll just make a new note and then just go ahead and open up your keyboard. Now, as you can see above the letters, there's a few different icons like the GIF one, stickers, settings, etc. But I want to tap the clipboard icon next to GIF, which is like a small paper on a board in the top row of the keyboard. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is Clipboard. So what you want to do is turn on Clipboard like so. Then you're going to have everything accessible right there. It shows you different things you could do. And what you can go ahead then and do, if you want to go ahead and look at the history and everything, is we can just look at everything right here. We can copy something like so. And obviously I can paste it as well if I want to. And what I could also just go ahead and do is go over to settings, and then I'm going to see Clipboard, and then I can change settings over here as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.